Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can create your WhatsApp account easily. If this video will be helpful for you, then please like it and subscribe our YouTube channel. Without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Play Store and then click right here WhatsApp and then install the WhatsApp. After installing, open the WhatsApp and you will see welcome to WhatsApp, and here you will choose your language and then click on it, and here you will click on agree and continue and click on allow. Here you will write your contact number and then click on next. If you want to restore your previous data, then click on continue. If you do not want to restore your previous data, then click on not now. And I am connecting to continue. Then click on allow. Then click on allow. Again click on allow. After that, skip it and type your name. After that, click on next. And then click on skip. You will see I have no previous data. That's why there is no any previous data. Or if you have your previous data, then your previous data will be show here. And here you can uh, see chat option, update, and here you can see WhatsApp status, and you can call here anyone after clicking the call options. Here your contact number will be see. After that, if you want to chat anyone, then click on send message, and then you will see your contact number. You can contact anyone which you want to connect. In this video, I told you how you can create your WhatsApp account easily. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then please like it and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.